Today's job is one that has been worrying me and keeping me awake at night for many... Really? Today's job is one that I have been deeply worried about. In fact, it's been keeping me awake at night for the last few weeks. Many hours of research has been required. You would not believe the amount of time I've had to spend literally hours, days researching on forums just to find the best advice on how to do this job, and to be completely honest, I'm absolutely bricking it about having to do it. I mean, just the list of tools we're going to need alone for this job is frankly frightening, and, well, I'm sorry to have to say it, but I've had to beg, borrow, and, in extreme cases, steal, but, yeah. All in the pursuit of Project Car goodness. So, what tools are we going to need? Needless to say, we're going to need an 80-piece socket set. We're also going to need a impact wrench. We're also going to need literally every tool in our arsenal. No, not really, we're just fitting a wiper. Can't be that difficult. So today's job, as it's raining, I thought perfect day for it. We are going to be fitting some Denso wiper blades. I'll give you a close-up of them. These are highly recommended as what we should be fitting to our MX-5s, because let's be honest, these Bosch ones look dreadful. I think these must be an earlier version, potentially, because the actual hump up from the wiper doesn't look very good. So it's just a small OCD thing that needs to be dealt with today, and all we need is brute force. That's it, really. Let's see. I've been panicking about this, mind you. It's had me worried for a long time. Need to calm myself down. This is going to take all of my knowledge to get this sorted. Wish me luck. Oh, come on Scarlett, not in front of everyone watching, make me look like a fool. Come on, there we go. That's one. And this just slots in here. Does it? Where does this go? Ah, in there. That's handy. We put that in. Clip. One. I'll show you on this one, there's actually a small clip. Pull that up, and then it slides straight in. Pull that up. Oop. Pull that up. Push that in. There we go. I've got to be completely honest, I can totally understand why someone would spend the £4 at Halfords and get them to fit these. That was exhaustive. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.